Hi, I'm Lorna. I've been writing a book called Embroidered Country Gardens. It deals with creating your own garden using either simple stitches or more intricate, or a combination of both. What I've attempted to do is encourage the beginner to try different stitches and show them how the same stitch can be used to create different flowers. We've created flowers like liatris, a thistle. I'll just work with this particular board, and here my clematis, my centers, I've used it. It's a lovely stitch to work with. You can use it for the centers of flowers. So I'm not going to carry on. You use this for bumblebees, creating caterpillars, hairy caterpillars, and you carry on. Just knock it off. You'll see you still have bit of a mess.